Can a country be paralyzed without being bombed? Imagine waking up one morning and suddenly आपका electricity grid collapse कर गया है, mobile networks काम नहीं कर रहे, banking systems shut down हो गए हैं, aircraft have lost critical navigation systems, and जो आपके hospitals हैं they begin losing electronic functionality. And yet कोई missile fire नहीं हुआ, कोई city bomb नहीं हुई, कोई army ने border cross नहीं किया. Welcome to the world of EMP weapons. EMP stands for electromagnetic pulse. Simple words में ये एक sudden burst होती है electromagnetic energy की which is capable of damaging or disabling electronic systems. इसके बारे में इस तरह से सोचें कि एक weapon है which is designed not to destroy buildings but to destroy electronics जिस पे modern societies depend करती हैं और modern warfare increasingly depends on electronics. So ये काम किस तरह करता है? There are different ways to generate an EMP. सबसे powerful version इसका आता है जब high altitude nuclear detonation होती है. लेकिन countries increasingly non-nuclear EMP weapons बना रही हैं which use microwave systems capable of targeting specific electronics. Why is it so dangerous? Because danger ये नहीं है कि immediate physical destruction होगी. The danger is systemic paralysis. EMP attack disrupt कर सकता है power grids को, communication systems को, transportation networks को, military command systems को, hospitals, banking infrastructure को. So modern societies are deeply interconnected and interconnected systems are always vulnerable. बहुत सी मेजर कंट्रीज़ हैं जो स्टडी कर रही हैं EMP effects, जिनमें यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, रशिया, चाइना, all of them have explored electromagnetic and directed energy weapons as part of their future planning. ये साइंस फिक्शन नहीं है, it is part of modern military thinking. साउथ एशिया के लिए क्यों ये बात इंपॉर्टेंट है? बिकॉज इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान बोथ डिपेंड हेविली ऑन पावर ग्रिड्स, डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशंस, मिलिट्री रेडार सिस्टम्स, command and control networks, financial infrastructure, civilian internet systems. So EMP attack during a crisis would not simply damage technology, it could create confusion at exactly the moment leaders need reliable information. The biggest danger is not simply losing electricity. The biggest danger is losing control. Radar systems going offline, air defense malfunctioning, satellite links being disrupted. और लीडर्स ये सोचें क्या ये साइबर वॉरफेयर है, क्या ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वॉरफेयर है, या ये कोई बिगिनिंग है फॉर लार्जर मिलिट्री अटैक. सो हाउ डू यू रिस्पॉन्ड व्हेन यू डू नॉट fully understand what is happening? So sometimes the most dangerous weapon is not the one that destroys cities, it is the one that silently turns them off.